Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting hairstyling video tutorial where we are gonna teach you how to make some interesting and lovely hairstyles that are gonna make you look even more prettier. Now here, you have to just get the small partitions and get a rubber band, tuck them in this manner, you to join them and then make a pattern like this. Keep it aside and then make the buns on both the sides, tuck it with the help of designer clip. Proceeding in this way, what are we gonna do next? You have to just secure your hair like this and then get it beautifully made with the help of these rubber bands and ribbons. Proceeding in this manner, what are we going to do? You have to just get the rubber bands and then you need to secure it in this way. Get them done like this and then you need to make it in this manner. This is gonna look amazing. You have to just secure it and then tie them up in this way. Beautiful, isn't it?